How to install BlueStacks on your Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So first of all, open any of your browser and search for BlueStacks download. Thereby, you will see the official website www.bluestacks.com. Tap on the Download BlueStacks app player on PC. Once that is done, you can see the latest BlueStacks version. If you scroll down a bit, you can see a specific version optimized for your Windows 11. You can tap on any one as per your need. Just in few seconds, you can check your download site to check the APK that has been downloaded. Now you just have to double tap on it to install it on your Windows. This will now start the reinstallation or installation on your device. Tap on the Install Now button and it will start downloading all the requisites. Also, it will check for the system. Also, you have to make sure that you have turned off your antivirus if it is creating any issue on the download. After it has been extracted all the required files and folders, it will also install the engine and post-installation engines. Once you have completed all of this, you can open the BlueStacks on your Windows 11 from where you can search for games and apps, also see for the system apps. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.